Welcome to Mr. Origami, where we turn paper into art. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for your dose of creative folds. Hello, I'm Mr. Origami, and today we're going to learn how to make an origami crane. The crane is one of the most iconic origamis in origami history, and I'm going to teach you how to make it today, so I hope you enjoy. You're going to start out with a square sheet of paper and fold it diagonally in half. So you're going to fold it diagonally. Fold it diagonally again. We're going to make a bread base. Then you're going to squash fold it. Do the same, the other side. So you're going to fold this to the center. Fold it down so it's like a diamond. Unfold it. Then open so it's like a little boat. And then you're transforming it so it collapses. You're going to do the same the other side. Remember, shape it to the boat, collapse. So now you're gonna fold this to the edge like you did before this. You're gonna do the same with all three sides. So now you're gonna fold this up. Like, it depends how you want your neck to be. So if you want it like this, you could have it like this. But this is the most traditional way. This is the traditional way. So now you're gonna inside reverse fold it. Make sure that tail is really good. Do the same with the other one. So now you're gonna inside reverse fold this. It depends how much you want your beak to be. If you want it to be short, you just fold a little. If you want it long, like this. I'm gonna fold it like this way because it's one of the traditional ways. And after that, you're just gonna unfold the wings of the bird, and you are done with your origami crane. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you in my next video.